Listen and practice. Listen and practice. The health benefits of garlic are more or less known to us these days. And garlic is used in Arabic cooking. As a result, garlic must be present in our daily diet. Besides, many eat raw garlic on an empty stomach to keep the heart healthy. But do you know any other uses of raw garlic? For example, raw garlic heals acne or sore throat quickly, reduces hair loss and grows new hair, and it is also used for catching more fish or as glue. Let's find out these 10 amazing uses of raw garlic. 1. Fever. Many people have fever bumps on the corners of their lips when they have a fever, especially at night. And it also causes severe pain. Apply raw garlic juice on the affected area to cure fever blisters. The pain will decrease and the healing will be faster. 2. Acne. Apply raw garlic or raw garlic juice on the affected area to heal acne fast or reduce acne pain. Will heal quickly. 3. Itchy feet. Many people get rashes and itchy feet after wearing shoes all day. To cure it, soak your feet in warm water with garlic and little salt for half an hour. Then wash with soap and plain water. 4. Sore throat. Chew a clove of raw garlic to cure a sore throat quickly. If you don't like the smell, then drink a glass of milk. Raw garlic juice taken slowly like this is very beneficial for sore throat. 5. Skin problems. Garlic is very helpful in treating any skin problems like boils or fungal infections. Just apply raw garlic juice to the affected area. Leave it for 10-15 minutes and wash it off. 6. Hypertension. To cure this problem, eat a few cloves of crushed garlic every morning on an empty stomach. 7. To catch more fish. Love to fish. Add raw garlic to the bait to catch more fish. A lot of fish will appear in the lure. 8. To protect trees. Garlic is very useful in protecting plants from insects. Mix together finely crushed raw garlic, water and a little liquid soap and fill it in a spray bottle. Spray it on the plants every few days to keep the insects away. 9. As glue. Have you noticed how sticky hands become after holding garlic? Small cords with paper can be used as glue for many purposes. 10. To grow new hair. Hair falling out too. Rub garlic regularly on the affected area to promote new hair growth. Leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning. New hair will grow in few days. Lesson 2. 34 benefits of eating just 2 cloves of garlic daily. Many people do not like eating raw garlic at all. Many people stay away from raw garlic for fear of bad breath. But various studies show that raw garlic has many health benefits. Especially raw garlic is not a match to eliminate various physical problems. A study by the University of Health and Medical Sciences revealed these properties of garlic. Learn about some of the amazing properties of garlic today. Know the benefits of eating only 2 cloves of garlic daily. 1. Works in heart health. Lowers cholesterol. This reduces the risk of heart attack. 2. Prevents plaque buildup in veins. Protects against the deadly disease of atherosclerosis. 3. Eliminates the problem of high blood pressure. 4. Nuts protect against rheumatic problems. 5. Helps relieve flu and respiratory problems. 6. Antibacterial properties prevent bad bacteria from entering, growing and multiplying in the body. 7. Protects from tuberculosis. 8. Reduces the pain of pus and painful boils in different parts of the body. 9. Protects against trichomoniasis due to careless sexual intercourse. 10. Increases digestion and removes the problem of constipation. 11. Prevents colon cancer. 12. Keeps gallbladder cancer free. 13. Reduces the risk of breast cancer. Finally, let me give another important information. Chewing 2/3 clove of garlic every morning on an empty stomach increases the sperm count. Along with this, if someone has erection problems, it is also removed by eating garlic. By eating this food regularly for 3 months, you will understand the change in your physical ability. To this you can add black cumin whose benefits are known to all. In these cases it is better not to eat too much garlic. Stop eating garlic if you feel stomach discomfort due to eating garlic. Breastfeeding mothers should avoid garlic, because garlic can enter the baby's stomach through breast milk and cause pain in the baby. Use. Garlic is used as a spice. Moreover, garlic is used in making various pickles and delicious dishes. Just as garlic plays an important role in our appetite, so does garlic to ward off vampires. All such stories about garlic have been spread for centuries. There are some myths which are more than 7,000 years old. 1. Garlic is the main medium of white magic in Europe. Even Europeans use this garlic to ward off vampires. It is believed that hanging garlic garlands or garlic in front of the house will keep vampires away. 2. According to Islam, it is not allowed to eat garlic and go to the mosque, because while chanting the name of Allah in the smell of garlic, the mind can go to the other side. For the same reason, Hindus also avoid garlic during worship or visiting temples, because many Hindus think that the smell of garlic destroys the purity of mind. 3. By mixing burnt garlic with camphor, mosquitoes, flies and insects are saved. Grinding garlic and mixing it with water to clean the house can also get rid of insects and spiders. 4. Garlic contains 17 levels of amino acids. This amino acid helps the body's internal organs to function. Because 75% of human body contains this amino acid. 5. Garlic is widely used in Chinese food because 66% of the world's garlic is produced there. 6. In World War I, garlic was used to treat gangrene in wounded soldiers when sulfur stores were low. 7. Garlic is very good for heart, because eating raw garlic reduces cholesterol. Garlic is also very effective in colds and coughs.